Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Japan. This is a ramen trunk. You can check them out at ramentrunk.com and use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off for a 20% discount on your first order. These are rad, so let's crack this one open, see what's inside. Alright, and as you can see, the first thing we're greeted with when we open this box is a nice big thank you. No, thank you. So yeah, the sheet has a big thank you and a little bit of information about Ramen Trunk on the other side. And then we have our information here. This is the June 2019 Ramen Trunk. As you can see here, it says that this is the rain box for June, which is the beginning of the Japanese rainy season. Alright, so start things off, we have a yuzu dashi shio ramen. So yuzu is kind of a citrus fruit, I guess. And yeah, this should be an interesting one. Next we've got a Maratai variety. This is Nagasaki Shio Ramen. I've never had a Maratai variety I disliked, except for one, and that was like, for some reason they made like a really crummy, boring noodle bowl once. But of these long noodle varieties are absolutely off the hook. And another Maratai variety. This is Maratai Chinese style ramen. This I've never even seen before, so yeah, very curious on this one. And here come the boxes. The first one we've got here is Onomichi Ajihei Ramen. Onomichi is a small city of 136,000 in Hiroshima Prefecture, known for its ancient temples. Characterized by its soy sauce, shoyu-based broth fish to imbue a unique but light seafood flavor. Finally, we have ginseng ramen. Ginseng ramen uses famous buckwheat noodles from Kanazawa with a rich tonkatsu pork bone soup broth cooked with shoyu. The soup is considered thick, and the chef has spent many years perfecting the taste and claims that the thickness helps the flavor of the soup spread into the mouth. What else do we have in here? 2 pieces of paper wadded up as packing material, some complimentary onion garnish, and finally a little strawberry treat. Alright, and in the June 2019 Ramen Trunk, you get Chinese style ramen, ginseng ramen, Onomichi Ajihei ramen, some oniony onions, candy is delicious food, eat some every day, Nagasaki Shio ramen, yuzu dashi shio ramen, packing material, your detailed description and cooking materials, and a thank you note. Well, thanks again to Ramen Trunk. That's ramentrunk.com for shooting these over every month. These have been absolutely great. You can use the coupon code for your discount. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.